Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm really excited to share with you guys another video, something that is really important to me and what I really love. So as you guys know, I had Delina about 9 months ago now, and so when I had Delina, I realized that I needed something to support my stomach. I felt uncomfortable. I felt like I needed something to hold me really. And when I left the hospital, they gave me this thing to wrap around to kind of give you a support for your back and for your stomach. And so I said, okay, I needed more than just what they gave me. The quality wasn't the best. And so I went to the department store in San Diego. I went to Macy's looking for something to hold my stomach, like a girl, like something underneath. So after I couldn't find anything at Macy's, it sparked me to research more about waist trainer. Although I knew some, but it was more important to me now because I really needed help having a baby. So now I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about waist trainer. All right, you guys, I have this question asked all the time on Instagram especially. Wanting to know what is waist trainer and what it does, right? So I'm gonna answer that for you guys today. Waist trainer means anything that holds your stomach, your midsection, with like a forcible thing that you wrapped around, right? A waist trainer is something to help you contour your waistline, to help support your back, your posture. And when you work out, it helps you stabilize your core, right? So, but most women use waist trainer to kind of help them curve their hourglass. And so it has a lot of benefit why you use waist trainer. For me, as a new mom, I was desperate and I needed help. I needed to find something to help my stomach because I just felt uncomfortable when I was walking. I felt like everything was just out of place, right? And I asked the doctor why that I should use the waist trainer, the corset thing that they give you right after you have a baby. And she said that you needed something to support your stomach. And it made sense to me. I needed something to help me. After carrying the baby for 9 months, I can't expect my stomach to be like right back into normal. So that's why I started using the waist trainer, and it actually helped me a lot. All right, you guys, so guess what? I brought waist trainer. This is one of my waist trainer. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like, how to do it, how do you put it on. And one of the things that I get a lot of time is people want to know, oh my God, it didn't fit me. Is it supposed to be tight? I can't even zip it. Honestly, I'm gonna show you guys that you want it to be tight. The idea is to be tight, not to where it's cutting circulation, but you want it to be so tight that it helps you, supports you, right? That's what waist trainer does. And so it requires really another person to help you to get it on. So I'm gonna share this with you. This one has 2 belts, right? And let me open it. So it comes like this. This is how it looks. And there's a zipper. This is what it looks like, right? So I'm gonna put it on like this. And so let me just show you how tight it's gonna be. So this is, if I look at it right now, I'm gonna think, oh my God, this does not fit me, right? Because look, it's like, I have this whole thing. And if I try to do it myself, maybe I could do it. So you kind of need another person's help. It's like hard to do it with one hand. This is because when you start the waist trainer in the beginning, you definitely need to be able to have somebody help you. And then as you get smaller, as you exercise, you eat healthy, all those things are gonna help shrink your body. Then you go to the next level of changing sizes, right? All right, so I'm gonna have Ravi help me put this on. Come. All right, hold on, go. So you're gonna hold it there and then go, 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 go. Woo! There it is. See? Now it fits. So that's why I think a lot of times, a lot of the people who are buying the waist trainer, they get discouraged, right? All right, so we're gonna put this across and then you're gonna bring this around. That's the top part. Then the bottom part, which for me, that I needed really so much support was the bottom part, which this is really helpful for a new mom, especially for anyone that has like lower problem. So you're gonna bring this here and then bring that around, right? Like that. So there you have it. And you can adjust it all the way to here to make it tighter, right? As you get skin like smaller on your waist, you keep tightening it up so you have room, right? So this is how it looks. So the purpose of this is like, even for my posture, having this made me like stand taller, my back feels secure, my stomach, my core just feels tighter, and you feel so much of, how do I say, like, it almost gives you like this sexy too. You feel confident, you know, it gives you like, oh, I have some waist, it's not just square. So that's the idea too. Then you start curving, getting your curves back by using this. It's really awesome. I really love it. I work out with it, I train, I weight lift with it, do my cardio. You can also wear this, if you're working, you can put this underneath. Like sometimes people just put it under skin, but if you have like a tank top, put like a light tank top and put this, and then you can wear your clothes too, or just on your skin. It doesn't really matter, it's your own, right? So one of the questions that I have is like, how long should I wear it? And how do I know if it is too tight or uncomfortable? I mean, if you feel like you're gonna pass out, you can't breathe, you can't even do anything, that's your cue that maybe you should just take it off, you know? Especially in the beginning too, you're not used to wearing anything in your stomach and waistline. It's gonna be uncomfortable. And then, so what I always said is try like maybe 30 minutes to an hour every day, then gradually you increase it, right? But always listen to your body, pay attention. If you feel uncomfortable, take it off. Take a break, you know? So you can wear this on top of your clothes, you can wear it underneath your clothes. If you work, you have, you know, uniform, you can wear this underneath your uniform, especially when you have to lift a lot of heavy stuff. It's really good to support you. If you're a mom like me, it's even better. You can run around with your baby and your stomach is intact. Well, why I really, really love the waist trainer is that when I work out, it gives me the support that I needed. And also when I'm running around with Delina holding her, my back doesn't hurt as much as it did like in the beginning before the waist trainer. So I have seen so much benefit out of it. That's why I wanted to share with you guys and kind of show you how it works and what the benefits are. And you know, so this is it. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe, like, leave me a comment. And if you use waist trainer, let me know. If you haven't gotten any, we'll link it down below the description. You guys can go ahead and check it out.